Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon kid hugging the earth for Earth Day. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing of someone hugging the earth, let's begin with the top of the earth. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm just going to make a little sad face, just like this. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes in here, and then a line that's going to come in here, and you can see they're both at a diagonal. I'm going to make a little bump on the top of each one. Then I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve down right around here, and we'll do the same thing over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then over to here. And then same thing here. We're going to bring this up and then just kind of curve it around here. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines on here for some fingers. We'll do that on each hand, just a couple little lines for some of the fingers. Now, starting here, let's draw the bottom of the earth with a nice big smiley face. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down and come right to here. Now, let's make the shirt. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then into here. And then same thing here. I'm just going to come up and then into here. And then we want to draw a face right here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve down to here. And then I'll make a line that's just going to curve up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up a little bit farther on each side. And then I want to draw the hair. Now you can do hair however you want. If you want to draw a boy, a girl, whatever. I'm just going to draw a little boy. So I'm just going to begin by making a few little diagonal lines like this, and then I'm just going to bring the line over here. Next, I'm going to make the ears. So I'm just going to draw two little half circles on each side. Then I'm going to bring a line up here on each side. And then I'm just going to bring this over, and I'm going to make a couple little points, and then I'm just going to connect it to here. Now let's make the face. I'm going to begin by making a circle right here for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle over here. Then I'm going to draw a little pupil right in here by just drawing a circle, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white, and I'll do the same thing here. I'll make a little backward C for the nose. And then for the mouth, we're going to make a little smile, and then a little line that's going to go down and up. Then I'll make a little sad face for the tongue, and then a little line across for the teeth, and I'll just kind of color this in. Now, I want to draw the feet. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making an oval shape like this. Then I'm going to draw that same thing over here. I'm just going to make a little oval shape. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down here, and then one that's just going to curve down here. And then let's just draw a few lines right across here for the bottom of the shoe. Next, I'm going to draw a line here, and then a line here, and then a line here, and a line right here. Next, I'm going to make the face on the earth. So I'm going to begin by making a little sad face for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another little sad face for an eye right here. And then I'm just going to make a little smiley face right here for the mouth. Now, to make some of the land or the continents, let's begin by drawing just a little wiggly line here. And then we're just going to bring this down and over. We'll make another little wiggly line that just goes down to here. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around to the hand. We'll just go down and up. And then we'll just make some little wiggly lines over to here. Then I'm just going to make a wavy line at the top and a little wavy line at the bottom. And then the last thing is I want to make some eyebrows. So I'm just going to draw a line here and then a line here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little kid hugging the earth for Earth Day. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.